How would you like to buy everything with crypto? Imagine this scenario. You go out to eat with your family, with your girlfriend, and you buy the food with crypto. And you go ahead and buy your Spotify subscription with crypto. You go ahead and buy your Netflix subscription with crypto. You can buy everything with crypto. Wouldn't it make it so much easier for you guys who are holding most of their money in crypto? Believe it or not, it's possible. How? With Bybit crypto card. If you're interested in learning more, well, let me show you. Here we are on Bybit exchange, one of the most well-recognized decentralized exchanges out there in the cryptocurrency world. And what are you offering? They are offering an insanely nice Bybit crypto card. What does it do? It allows you to pay your crypto with a credit card, right? So let's go ahead and dive straight down into the benefits it offers. First of all, the most obvious one and the most exciting one is a 10% cashback for a limited time. So we have 22 days left. Make sure if you're watching this video and want to order the Bybit card to go ahead to the description and press the first link you see immediately. Why? Because this won't be lasting around forever. You can get an insane 10% cashback on every purchase you make. How to participate, how to get a Bybit card? Well, it's very simple. If you don't have an account yet, just click the sign up button to create a new one and complete the registration process, which takes a minute. Step 1, to apply for the Bybit card at no cost. Enjoy it free of charge with no monthly or annual fees. Step 2, make a first deposit of at least $100 to earn $10. This reward is only available to users who have not made their first deposits yet. And lastly, step 3, pay with your Bybit card and earn 10% cashback up to $600, available to all international card holders. So imagine you're paying $30 for your food, right? You get $3 back. You're paying, let's say, what, $3,000 for a car, you get $300 back. It's crazy, right? It's very nice, and you should definitely take it, and you should definitely not wait to grab this opportunity by its neck. New to Bybit? Well, create an account and apply for the Bybit card. Next, make your first deposit of $100 to get an extra $10. Spend with your Bybit card to earn 10% cashback up to $10. Existing Bybit users, first apply for the Bybit card, then pay with your Bybit card to earn 10% cashback. So the cashback is eligible for everyone, to all international card holders, etc. So that's very nice. Discover and match benefits with your Bybit card. So we can see that we get free card issuance and delivery, no annual or monthly fees, 10% cashback again, and up to 8% APY, which is crazy. You can even earn money using this card. How to apply for the Bybit card, we will go over that in a moment. Spread the love and get 20 USDT. Also, if you want to, share this with your friends, because this is amazing news and amazing opportunity, which should everyone take the opportunity to go ahead and get their own Bybit card. Make sure to grab your referral link. How do you do that? Press this button right here and share it around with your friends to get 20 USDT. I mean you'll share it with your friends will share, and you won't even notice how the cash is piling up. If you have any unanswered questions or questions you might want to ask, make sure to first go down the website. I'll leave the link down below and check the frequently asked questions. Your answer might be lying somewhere around here. If you don't find your answer, make sure to comment down below, or go ahead and join their socials and ask the questions there. I'm sure you'll get it answered immediately. Terms and conditions: if a user withdraws any of their deposits within 7 days after the 14-day deposit effective calculation period, they will automatically be disqualified. So again, make sure to read these terms and conditions on your own, guys. I'll leave the website link down below in the description. First link you'll see. Scroll to the end of the website and make sure to read this yourself. Why? Because you need to do your own research if you're interested in buying this and getting this card, because some crucial parts might easily slip through your ears, and those might cause you to lose out on some very nice benefits, which I don't want you guys to be happening on. So how do you apply for the card? You just go ahead this section right here where there's step 1, and under it is the button apply now. We press on it, and then we'll be redirected to this page right here where we can see that we can live the crypto life with Bybit card. All you need to do is just press get your card, then you'll be asked for your region, for your identity proof, and then for your address. You'll get the card shipped out, and the process from there is very simple. Doubt that you'll need any guidance from here on out, because the user interface is super simple and it'll be very easy to understand what they're asking you. Again, we also have their welcome offer to earn 20 USDT in airdrops. So we're basically getting money on top of money on top of money with these insane benefits they are offering. They are very, very nice, and they're offering us a lot of them, right? Use your crypto or fiat to pay anytime, anywhere. Choose to pay using your crypto or fiat balances. Again, this is amazing. 100% rebates on selected partners: Netflix, Spotify, Prime, ChatGPT, TradingView. I'm sure you guys are using all of these apps right here, and we get 100% rebates using the Bybit card on these exact platforms, which is amazing stuff. I mean, we pay for these subscriptions monthly. We get 100% rebates on top of using the Bybit card, which literally earns us money and allows us to pay in cryptocurrency. Damn, this sounds amazingly good. Earn between 2 and 10% cashbacks on your everyday expenses. A lot more exciting features, such as earn up to 8% APR on your ideal funds. So even if your funds are literally ideal, not moving, all you need to do is just place them in your Bybit card, enable auto savings, and they literally will earn you money up to 8%, which is insane. Spend instantly using Google Pay, Apple Pay, Samsung Pay. They accepted all. Free car issuance, no annual fees, free worldwide delivery of your Bybit card, and you also get your first 100 euros free every single month. So basically you can withdraw up to 100 euros monthly, literally free of fees each month. Then after that, a standard 2% fee will apply. But I mean, we get 100% euros free to withdraw without any fees every month. That sounds really nice to me. They have very nice protection, so we can feel safe. You don't need to worry about any of those parts because you use two-factor authentication to ensure your account remains secure. Start your crypto life just minutes after application. Again, all you need to do is just 3 steps to get your Bybit card. They also have insane designs on their cards if you want that. Again, these benefits are insanely nice. So with this being said, that's about it for the Bybit card. Let me know what you think about this one down below in the comments. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know if you joined it. Let me know if you want more content like this, because the opportunity with the Bybit card is really, really nice and it's amazing. Again, thank you for tuning in and to another one of videos, and I'll make sure to catch you next time.